China has released its clearest footage yet of the Type 076 amphibious assault ship Sichuan, testing an electromagnetic catapult with a heavy dead load, alongside a separate countermeasure launch. The images offer a rare look at how far the vessel has progressed. In this video, we will examine what the test confirms, why the technology matters, and what comes next. The newly released footage gives the public its clearest look yet at two important tests aboard the Type 076 amphibious assault ship Sichuan. The first shows the ship's electromagnetic catapult launching a heavy dead load. The second shows a live launch of onboard countermeasures. Together, these images suggest that testing has moved beyond basic construction checks and into systems that will shape how the vessel eventually operates. The dead load is especially important because it is not an aircraft. It is a weighted test object used to measure how the catapult performs under controlled conditions. Engineers can examine acceleration, power delivery, mechanical response, and system reliability without placing an actual aircraft at risk. This means the footage confirms that the catapult is active and undergoing practical onboard evaluation. It does not confirm that the Sichuan has already launched a fixed-wing aircraft or drone. That distinction matters. A successful weighted launch is an essential step, but aircraft operations require much more. The ship must eventually demonstrate precise launch settings for different aircraft weights, safe deck procedures, reliable power management, and coordination between the catapult team and aviation crews. Public footage of an aircraft launch would therefore represent a separate and more advanced milestone. The countermeasure test also adds context. It shows that the vessel is evaluating more than propulsion and navigation. Countermeasure systems are part of the ship's wider protection and survivability package, so their visible testing suggests a broader trial program is underway. The timeline supports that interpretation. The Sichuan was launched in December 2024 and began its first sea trial in November 2025. It has since completed additional trials. The latest footage does not mean every system is fully ready, but it does show steady progress toward a more complete evaluation phase. For viewers, the central point is simple. China has now provided visual evidence that the Type 076's electromagnetic launch system is functioning aboard the ship, while the actual aircraft launch stage still remains the next major test. That makes this disclosure meaningful evidence of technical progress, while still leaving important questions about aviation integration open for future trials. The electromagnetic catapult is the feature that makes the Type 076 especially unusual. Most amphibious assault ships rely mainly on helicopters and aircraft capable of short or vertical takeoff. The Sichuan's design opens the possibility of operating larger fixed-wing aircraft that need assisted launch power. That could give the ship a broader aviation role than earlier platforms in the same category. Official descriptions identify several features. The vessel has a full-load displacement of more than 40,000 tons, a full-length flight deck, a twin-island superstructure, electromagnetic catapult equipment, and arresting technology. It is designed to carry fixed-wing aircraft, helicopters, and amphibious equipment. These elements suggest that the ship is intended to combine aviation capability with the transport and support functions expected from an amphibious platform. Large drones may be one of the most important parts of that concept. A catapult can help a fixed-wing drone leave the deck with more fuel, larger sensors, or a heavier mission payload than it could carry during an unassisted takeoff. That may support longer flights for surveillance, communications relay, mapping, maritime observation, and other extended missions. The ship could therefore act as a mobile base for persistent aerial coverage across distant waters. However, the final aircraft mix has not been officially confirmed. It would be premature to describe the Type 076 as a dedicated drone carrier or assume that a specific aircraft has already been selected. Its practical role will depend on what China eventually deploys aboard it and how those aircraft perform during sea trials. The design also reflects technology developed across different Chinese ship programs. Its amphibious foundation is associated with the Type 075, while its electromagnetic launch concept has similarities to the larger Type 003 aircraft carrier Fujian. Yet the Sichuan is not simply a smaller carrier. Its mission profile, internal spaces, deck arrangement, and likely air group are different. The most accurate description is a hybrid aviation platform. It may support helicopters, fixed-wing drones, crewed aircraft, landing forces, and amphibious vehicles in different combinations. That flexibility, rather than any single aircraft type, could become the defining feature of the Type 076. Despite the importance of the new footage, the Sichuan still has several major milestones ahead. The clearest next step would be a publicly confirmed launch of an actual fixed-wing aircraft or drone. That event would show that the Catapult can move beyond weighted testing and begin working with a real aviation platform under operational conditions. Even then, one launch would not answer every question. The ship must also demonstrate safe aircraft recovery, reliable arresting equipment, deck handling, maintenance support, power management, and repeated launch cycles. These tasks require the vessel, aircraft, crews, and onboard systems to function as one coordinated network. Building that routine can take longer than proving that each component works separately. Aircraft compatibility will be another key issue. Different platforms have different weights, landing speeds, structural limits, and launch requirements. Engineers must develop precise settings for each aircraft type and confirm that those settings remain reliable in changing sea conditions. The same applies to recovery operations, where timing, deck movement, and arresting performance must remain consistent. The intended air group is still one of the biggest unanswered questions. A drone-heavy group could emphasize long-duration observation, communication support, and wide-area sensing. A mixed group might combine helicopters, fixed-wing drones, and specialized crewed aircraft. The balance between aviation space and amphibious equipment will also reveal how China expects the ship to be used. Commissioning will be another important milestone, but it should not be confused with complete operational maturity. A newly commissioned ship can continue testing, training, and refining its aviation procedures for an extended period. Full capability usually depends on repeated trials, qualified crews, established maintenance routines, and successful coordination with other naval assets. For now, the Type 076 should be viewed as an advanced platform still moving through development. The deadload launch confirms real progress, but the strongest evidence will come from repeated aircraft launches and recoveries at sea. The newly revealed tests mark an important stage for China's Type 076 amphibious assault ship Sichuan. The electromagnetic catapult has now been shown working with a heavy test load, while the countermeasure footage points to broader systems evaluation. Still, the vessel has not publicly demonstrated a confirmed aircraft launch or recovery. Those trials will determine how effectively it can support fixed-wing drones, helicopters, crewed aircraft, and amphibious equipment. The Type 076 may ultimately become a flexible aviation platform, but its role will depend on the aircraft selected, the results of testing, and the maturity of sustained deck operations at sea. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, you can visit our website, spaceinews.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.